Maligayang kapistahan po ng Senyor Santo Niño. Viva Santo Niño! Ano ba yung qualities ng isang bata na upang sa gayon talagang tunay tayo ay pagharian ng Diyos? Una po ay yung kanilang mga mata, the eyes of innocence. Through the eyes of these children, we could see the simplicity of life. Makikita po natin ang mga bata ay payak, simple. And because of these children, do not search for extravagant and never attracted to worldliness.
Señor, 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 sugod na sa Singulo, kitang anak magkay Señor, sugod na sa...
Simplicity is not about deprivation. Simplicity is about greater appreciation for the things that really matter. Pangalawa, nakatangian ng bata, siguro yung makikita natin yung kanilang puso, yung heart of the child. Ano yung katangian na yun ng heart of the child? What the heart of the children feels is humility, kababaang loob. They do not keep hatred in their hearts toward others. Humility is the ability to give up your pride and still retain your dignity. At sa palagay ko mga kapatid, ito yung dalawang aral na ibinibigay sa atin ng celebration ng Santo Niño at ng ating mga pagbasa ngayon.